Natural Resources Test. Please enter your email. Number 1. A general term for precipitation that is more acidic than normal is acid snow, greenhouse effect, acid rain, global warming. Number 2. Any resource that cannot be replaced quickly by nature, such as fossil fuels and minerals, is called a renewable resource, non-renewable resource, natural resource, unnatural resource. Number 3. A thick brownish haze formed when hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and other gases react in sunlight is called fog, greenhouse gases, sludge, smog. Number 4. Why is wind considered to be a renewable resource? Winds will always blow on Earth. We will never run out of wind. Wind speed and direction are very predictable, both A and B. Number 5. Which of the following is a disadvantage of solar energy, wind energy, and hydroelectric energy? Renewable resources can be replaced in a short amount of time. Alternative energy power plants are expensive to build and maintain. They do not produce many waste products. None of the above. Number 6. Geothermal power plants work well in environments that are located above large magma pools, are located in areas with few clouds and lots of sunshine, are located by powerful rivers, are located above sedimentary rock layers. Number 7. Which statement is correct about U.S. coal production according to the graph? Surface mining and underground mining have always been the same. Surface mining produced more coal in 2010 than underground mining did. Americans stopped coal mining in 2015. Most Americans prefer surface mining. Number 8. According to the diagram, lignite turns into peat, which turns into coal. Over time, heat and pressure increase. Over time, there is less heat and pressure. Anthracite is the best coal. Number 9. Which of the following is a disadvantage of continued use of fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are inexpensive. Fossil fuels work with our current power plants. The United States is a producer of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. Number 10. An ore is a mineral that can be mined, can be sold for profit, is usually a metal, all of the above. Number 11. China is in need of great amounts of energy. They build massive power plants on the Yangtze River, which interfere with dolphin migration. The benefit of this power plant is that it eliminates dolphins, which are considered a pest, uses turbines to make the river move faster, uses a turbine to make electricity, is a major tourist attraction, which boosts China's economy. Number 12. What does this water turbine have in common with a wind turbine? They both rely on a renewable resource to make electricity. They both use flowing matter to make electricity. They both make electricity with a sustainable resource, all of the above. 13. Which of the following human-made products is the most biodegradable? Baby diaper, styrofoam cup, plastic milk carton, newspaper. Number 14. What does this symbol mean? Reduce, reuse, recycle, reconfigure, repair, rescue, reading, writing, arithmetic, stop, drop, roll. 15. The cleanest burning fossil fuel is coal, oil, natural gas, petroleum. Number 16. Anthracite coal has more carbon than all other types of coal. Therefore, it is the cleanest burning coal, the coal that looks most like dirt, the coal that makes the most pollution, all of the above. 17. Which of the following is true? Fossil fuels are renewable resources that make greenhouse gases. Solar power is renewable and makes greenhouse gases. Nuclear energy is non-renewable and makes dangerous waste. Hydropower is renewable and makes dangerous waste. 18. According to the pie chart, which of the following statements is not true? Most of the energy in 2010 was made with fossil fuels. In 2010, more energy was made worldwide with renewables than nuclear. Biomass heat was the most common renewable energy source in 2010. Ocean power is a non-renewable power source. 19. Which of the following is a problem with using wind energy? Air pollution. It is non-renewable. Wind farms take up a lot of land. It only works during the day. Number 20. Why has the United States begun moving away from the use of nuclear energy? Toxic nuclear waste is bad for the environment. Nuclear power plants make a lot of air pollution. Nuclear power plants are bad for migrating birds. None of the above. 21. Which energy source do poor countries rely on? Geothermal, nuclear, solar, biomass. 22. Which is a possible consequence of global warming? An increase in the annual snowfall, a decrease in Earth's overall temperatures, an increase in the number of heat waves and droughts. 23. How does a greenhouse work? The plants make the heat comes from the ground, the glass keeps the heat out, the glass traps the heat inside. 24. The Earth's atmosphere is similar to a greenhouse because the atmosphere is a good place to grow plants. Plants make their food through photosynthesis. The atmosphere traps heat like the glass in a greenhouse. 25. Using your knowledge of seasons in the United States, what conclusion can you draw from the monthly hurricane landfall? Hurricanes happen in the winter when it's colder. Hurricanes happen in the warmer months when the ocean is hotter. Hurricanes happen in the summer because the days are longer. There will never be a hurricane in December. 26. According to the bar graph above, October has the most hurricanes. June has the fewest hurricanes. September has twice as many hurricanes as August. Hurricane season peaks in September. 27. Ozone depletion was caused by ABCs, CFCs, PCBs, XYZs. 28. Which of the following is true of the ozone layer? It is located in the troposphere. It's located in the stratosphere. It is a solid layer that airplanes cannot fly through. It has completely disappeared. 29. Why should the ozone layer be protected? It causes photosynthesis. It prevents erosion. It protects the earth from harmful UV rays. It protects the earth from meteoroids. Number 30. According to scientific theory, carbon in the atmosphere has caused the temperature on our planet to increase hundreds of degrees, about 50 degrees, about 10 degrees, around 1 degree in the past 100 years. 31. Photosynthesis adds carbon to the atmosphere, removes carbon from the atmosphere, causes the atmosphere to heat up, removes oxygen from the atmosphere. 32. Carbon dioxide builds up in our atmosphere in the winter. Which of the following is a logical scientific explanation for the situation? Fewer people drive vehicles in the winter due to icy conditions. More people exercise, so they exhale more carbon dioxide. More fossil fuels are burned to heat buildings. 33. Which of the following statements best describes renewable alternative energy sources? They have no disadvantages. They are perfect in every way. They produce a lot of pollution. We are unlikely to run out of them. 34. The gold in this rock can be mined for profit. Therefore, it is a or an stone, gem, or rock. 35. Which of the following is not true of Limerick Nuclear Power Plant? It is located in New Jersey. It uses the mineral uranium to make electricity. The white clouds coming out are steam. The waste product is bad for the environment.